Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bitget account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Bitget Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in bitget.com and make a search. The official page of Bitget account will appear on the screen. Now to log into your Bitget Wallet's account, enter your email address or mobile number and password associated with your Bitget Wallet's account and tap on login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. You can also log into your Bitget's account using your Google, Apple or Telegram account as well. This is how you can log into your Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.